Y'all listen up, here's a story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside, through his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. Cause he ain't got nobody to listen, to listen, to listen, to listen. I will die, 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 I will die. I'm blue, I will die, 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 I will die. I have a blue house with a blue window. Blue is the color I bought in a man. Blue are the streets and all the trees are too. I love you and she is so blue. Blue are the people here that